The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is an entry-level DSLR camera, ideal for beginners and hobbyists looking to explore photography with high-quality images. With a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, the Rebel T7 delivers sharp, vibrant photos that maintain detail, even in large prints. This camera handles various lighting situations well, especially in outdoor environments. While it lacks advanced features like 4K video recording, the full HD 1080p video quality is still impressive and suitable for casual videography. Equipped with a user-friendly interface, the Rebel T7 allows easy access to settings, which makes it approachable for those new to DSLR cameras. The camera connects to Canon's Camera Connect app, enabling wireless image transfers to smartphones for instant sharing, a feature many users find convenient. Battery life is solid, lasting for a full day of moderate shooting. Although the autofocus system is somewhat basic with only 9 points, it is reliable in good lighting. The Rebel T7's compact, lightweight design is also ideal for travel. Overall, this camera offers great value, delivering solid performance and quality, especially for those starting their photography journey.